Technology is great. I am a big fan of technology. I love getting the latest gadget, having a new app with new functionality. But there are some caveats to that. With the insurance industry, they have typically been slow to add on some of the technology, the apps available for their customers, but they are gaining speed with that. And with that, with most of the insurance companies' apps that you can have on your phone, you can check your billing, make a payment, get your ID cards on there, maybe review your policy declarations page. But we do have one company that will actually allow you to make a change to your policy for your auto insurance. And I would just say we recommend that people do not use this function to make changes to their policy. We prefer that everybody contacts our office whenever you need a policy change, or if you are thinking about filing a claim, to call our office to discuss it as well. Um, we just had an instance just recently where unfortunately someone had gone on, purchased a vehicle over the weekend, realized they can make the vehicle change in the insurance company's application, did that on their own, which is great. Unfortunately, never called our office, and the insurance company does not notify us of those changes. They just go through in straight processing. So what happened is when they added the vehicle, they did not select full glass coverage on their comprehensive deductible. So most people in New York State just assume that glass coverage is automatic when you have comprehensive coverage, because every insurance agent, insurance company that does business in New York always selects that option. I really can't say I've ever seen it not selected on there by an insurance agent or company. So everybody just thinks it's the default. So when this client went through and made a change to his policy, he didn't realize that there actually is two options for your deductible with comprehensive. There's your normal, just 500 straight deductible for any comprehensive claim, but then there's another option which you have to kind of scroll down and go through, that is a $500 deductible for comprehensive with a zero deductible for glass. And unfortunately, when this client found out about this missing coverage is when they needed it. They had a crack in their windshield. They were looking to get their windshield replaced, and because the change wasn't done correctly, unfortunately, that had to come out of pocket. And we hate to see that happen, because that is an avoidable expense for our insured. So I just like to, send this out as kind of a disclaimer for people that, the insurance technology is great. It's great that they're adding new features, but still, please call us whenever you're making a coverage change or thinking about filing a claim. We can answer your questions, help walk you through it. And if you did make the change on, the app on yourself, give us a heads up just so we can review that change for you to make sure that it was done correctly. So I hope you found this tip helpful. Us to provide you with a no obligation quote for your auto, home, or business insurance, feel free to give us a call. Thanks, everybody.